Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find if any similar image or picture is present in any website using Photos app of Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have two image files on my desktop screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Photos application and just click on the settings icon. Just scroll down below and kindly check the version number of your Photos application. So you need to update to this version number or higher than that. So firstly, check for if any newer Photos application update is available on your Microsoft Store application or not. And after that, just right mouse click on the respective image or picture file and just select this open with and just select this Photos application. And now you will see here at the bottom visual search with Bing. So just click on it. Now it will open the Microsoft Edge web browser. So now you can see here it's finding if any similar image is present on different websites. So you can see here tons of websites with the similar image or picture file. So similarly you can do the same thing with the other image or picture file. Just right mouse click on the respective image or picture file. Just select this open with and select this photos and just click on this icon visual search with Bing. You can see here tons of similar image present on different websites. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find if any similar image or picture is present in any website using Photos app of Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.